In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to collect form data from Practice Better, a software that helps health and wellness professionals manage their clients. But stick with me until the end, because I'll be sharing some alternatives to Practice Better that may suit your needs even better. First things first, Practice Better allows you to collect data via forms, which is essential for tracking client progress and gathering information. The platform provides a variety of customizable forms, like intake forms and assessments. To get started, you'll need to create a form that suits your needs. This is easy. Head to the Forms section in your Practice Better account. Once you're in the Forms section, click the Create New Form button. You'll see several form types to choose from, such as medical intake, progress tracking, and customized assessment forms. Select the one that best fits what you're looking for. Now, the real work begins, customizing it. The beauty of Practice Better's forms is that you can easily add or remove fields to tailor it to your practice. You can add multiple types of questions, like short answer, checkboxes, drop-downs, or ratings, and modify each field to collect exactly the data you need. Next thing, once your form is ready, it's time to collect responses from your clients. You can either send a form directly to a client through Practice Better's messaging system or generate a unique link to share. The client will fill out the form, and once they submit, all their responses will be automatically stored in their profile. You can review this data at any time by simply going into their client file and checking the responses. Practice Better does a great job of organizing this, making it easy for you to see a history of all form submissions in one place. The fourth thing to mention here is that Practice Better offers automated follow-up actions based on form responses. For example, if a client submits a form and answers certain questions in a specific way, you can trigger actions like sending them a thank you note, recommending a follow-up session, or scheduling an appointment based on their responses. It's a great way to streamline your workflow. But while Practice Better is definitely a great tool, there are some things it could improve on. For one, its form-building tools, while versatile, can feel a little clunky when you're trying to make complex forms. And though it integrates with other tools like Google Calendar, it lacks more robust automation features that could make managing your client data even smoother. Some users also report that the user interface can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. Now, here's where things get interesting. If you're looking for an alternative that may offer even more flexibility, take a look at Alternative Software. It has some great features that Practice Better lacks, like insert unique features, and it's known for its smoother, more intuitive user interface. What's also nice is that it's better suited for teams, so if you plan on growing your practice and working with others, this might be the way to go. Finally, here's the exciting part. I've got an exclusive offer just for you. If you're interested in trying Practice Better, check the link in the description. Through that link, you'll get an extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. Plus, I've also included a link for the alternative software I mentioned, and that comes with a free trial as well. These are amazing options, and if you're looking for the best way to collect form data while improving your practice's workflow, these tools are top contenders. Don't miss out on those exclusive benefits, and thanks for watching.